The bi-directional USB car fan, pretty neat. It's Z17B is the model. This does need power. It comes with a USB-C. You plug it into an outlet. It has two directions. So you can either have the air coming out this way, so it's sucking this and then blowing here, or sucking here and blowing there. You just basically click the button and it switches its direction. So it's pretty neat. It has 3 different speeds, so you can control the speed basically with the button. There's a button also on this side over here. So you can see, you hear it kind of getting higher. So there's 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. Pretty straightforward. Hear that? And that's the highest. It's pretty quiet. So for someone that has, you know, maybe wants some air in their car, it's pretty good. You can blow it on the kids, or you can blow it on yourself on the back of your neck while you're driving. Of course, you can add it to either seat. I have it on my passenger just to make the video, so I think it makes it easier to see. But that's what it looks like. You do need to have these posts. But it's very sleek, like you wouldn't even see it. And you could just run this wire down here and you never would even notice the wire was there. Okay? This is the dual direction USB car fan, the Z17B.